BRABUS Big Boy 1200 is the $1.4 million supervillain RV you didn't know you needed. The all-black exterior of the truck hides a luxurious cabin that keeps you comfortable and connected, even when parked in remote places. The Big Boy 1200 is Brabus's inaugural king-sized motorhome, built on a Mercedes Actros platform. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. Measuring 12 m, 39.4 feet long, this massive RV was made in collaboration with STX Motorhomes. It boasts 323 sq.ft of living space, featuring a bedroom, living room, bathroom, and kitchen. There are vehicles designed to get you from point A to point B, and then there are those imagined to redefine the very idea of travel itself. The Big Boy 1200 from Brabus falls decisively into the latter category, a motorhome so decadent and domineering that it could just as easily serve as a luxury apartment, a command center, or perhaps the private retreat of a supervillain. Conceived by Brabus atop a Mercedes Actros truck, this colossal RV offers more than 30 square meters, 323 square feet, of refined living space, proving that, yes, absurdity does come in large packages. This is the first in a planned series of oversized Brabus masterpiece motorhomes, developed in partnership with Belgian company STX Motorhomes. More. Brabus Rocket. GTS is a $1 million Mercedes clown shoe. With 986 GP from the outside, the vehicle looks like a big black rectangular block that could serve as the HQ of a movie villain. Only the LED lights and the exposed carbon on the grille try to break the monotony of the black aluminum composite bodywork. Stretching 12 meters, 39.4 feet in length, 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet in width, and towering 4 meters, 13.1 feet high, it makes even the much-hyped Tesla Cybertruck look like a child's toy. And as if its size wasn't already a conversation starter, 4 electrically powered slide-out modules expand the living area further when parked, with hydraulic jacks ensuring stability. Step inside via the electrically deployed staircase, and you're greeted by a plush living room that flows into a bedroom measuring a sprawling 4.5 meters, 14.8 feet, in width. Sleeping accommodations include a double bed, 2 couches, and an additional single bed perched over the cockpit, enough for you and a modest entourage. Cadillac. Open space is the autonomous motorhome of the future. The luxurious bathroom is covered in natural stone tile and has a shower, a toilet, and a sink. The kitchen is equipped with high-end appliances: cooktop, oven, dishwasher, refrigerator, freezer, coffee maker, wine cooler, etc., while the living room can double as a dining area or a remote office. Off-grid power and connectivity solutions. For connectivity, a Starlink satellite dish and a Wi-Fi router keep the Big Boy 1200 online, no matter how remote the location. The interior also includes a pair of 43-inch 4K TVs, a PS5 gaming console, and a high-end audio system. Similar to Brabus-tuned vehicles, the cabin is wrapped in fine leather and Alcantara, featuring carbon accents. A total of 8 roof-mounted solar panels, a large battery pack, and a generator ensure that occupants will have enough power to stay off the grid for prolonged periods. The motorhome is fitted with large tanks for fresh and wastewater. The thermally insulated aluminum sandwich design body is weatherproof, allowing the climate system and the auxiliary heater to retain pleasant conditions inside the cabin. The windows have integrated roller shades combined with powered skylights on the roof. A 12.8-liter turbo diesel engine. Underneath, the truck rides on a 3-axle chassis with twin dual axles at the rear. Power comes from a massive 12.8-liter turbodiesel engine, pushing out 523 GP, 390 kilowatts, 530 PS, and 2,600 nanometers, 1,918 lb-ft of torque. While the horsepower figure might seem tame by Brabus standards, the torque is more than sufficient to haul its weight. Not that speed demons will be satisfied. The top speed is electronically capped at 90 km per h, 56 miles per hour. As for the price, The BRABUS Big Boy 1200 is built to order starting at €1,260,504.20, equal to around $1,373,000 current exchange rates. Before taxes. From where we're sitting, the only missing accessory is a matching trailer for your BRABUS-tuned Mercedes-AMG SL, so you can bring a taste of BRABUS's usual lunacy wherever you roam. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up and share. See you next.